When the kids come to trick or treat, I give them lots of candy and roofies to eat. Police have told me to cease and desist. It sucks being on Megan's list. Halloween is my favorite day. I get to dress up and go out and play. I like to take my pumpkin and carve it good. My wife's Romney outfit always gives me wood.
There was a costume party and I went as a genie. I met a ghost who showed me his Halloweenie. Shopping for apples is a fun thing to do, unless the ghost tells you he wants to do pop his apple too.
It's Halloween, my favorite time of year. Seeing all the girls' costumes gives me great cheer. But I went over to the stockbroker. I asked a little girl, oh wait, she was a hooker. She was a hooker.